Welcome back. So I got this box from Divoom. I think it's called Divoom. And check it out. It's a Pixel 64 pixel art cloud frame. Basically, you get to show off your pixel art in this frame, and it's somewhat intelligent. Where, for example, you could show your subscribers and stuff like social media tracking, show your pixel art creations. They can even be animated, or just have it as a music visualizer. So let's take a look inside. It's actually kind of big. So it's got a stand, but there's also multiple ways for you to hang this thing. You can do the top or the back. So I'm going to give away the Divoom Pixel 64, but if you want to get your own, you can back them on Kickstarter, and that's why they sent me a free one, so that I would let you guys know that they're running a Kickstarter, which only has 3 days to go, and I feel so bad about uploading this video kind of late, but you know, they didn't pay me, so they have a bunch of other pretty cool products as well. If you check out their website, they sent me this Ditto in the past, hoping that I would do a review of it, but I recorded some footage and never actually got around to it, so I might as well squeeze that into this video as well. This thing's pretty cool. Check it out. To win this pixel art display, just tell me the best joke you know on Twitter under this post, and like the ones that you think are funny. And while you're there on Twitter, you know, why don't you just follow me? My game Dwarf has been invited to the PAX gaming event as one of the top indie games this year. So we made this cool banner and we're heading out there. If you want a chance to get to play Dwarf for free on September 3rd, you'll be able to play the prologue on Steam. It's going to have this cool start screen, and in the next video, I'll show you how I created it. I'll see you then, a Devla!